Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Joy Food Channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a Ghanaian smoked turkey peanut butter soup, and this is a step-by-step recipe that you all should try. So if you are interested, just as usual, let's watch this video together and I'll see you next time. For this recipe, I have finely chopped or diced one big size red onion. And here I have got my smoked turkey, so I have got about 1.5 kilos of it. You can also use smoked chicken if you prefer. I am going to use some tomato puree, but you can use tomato paste. I have here on my plate 2 medium-sized red onions, some ginger, 1 red chili, and some chili powder. I am going to use 1 plum tomatoes, but if you want to use the fresh one, please go ahead and use about 2 fresh tomatoes. I'm going to use a very simple peanut butter today that I got from the cooperative. I don't always use the Ghanaian one if I can't have access to it. So now put your turkey in your cooking pot and add the diced onions. Next, you can go ahead and add in the 2 medium-sized red onions, the ginger, and also the little chili. Now you can add about 1 full tablespoon of tomato puree and 1 tablet of Maggi cube if you have. Okay, you can also use 2 small Maggi cubes if you can't find this one, and also a bit of salt to taste. Now you can add some water. It's just for the steaming, so about half a bowl of water should be fine. Now cover it and let it steam for about 10 to 15 minutes, and don't forget to stir it from time to time. So now my onion, ginger, and chili are perfectly cooked, and I'm going to take them off my pot and put them in my blender together with my plum tomato, and then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of chili powder and blend everything until it's very smooth. Next, you can add it to the smoked chicken. Some people like it drained, but I'm for all the vitamins, so I don't usually drain it, but please feel free to do it. Now stir it and leave it to cook for about 7 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to focus on our peanut butter. So I've got here 1 liter 500 ml of water, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of peanut butter and then blend it until very smooth. Not everybody does this way. You can just drop the peanut butter directly in the soup. So when it is perfectly blended, you can pour it into the smoked chicken, stir it, and then we are going to cover it and let it cook. So as I said, it is a very easy and simple soup. I added a bit more water to it, but you don't have to. Now cover it and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. And you should see that after 20 minutes, the color would have changed and it will have a deeper color. So now stir it and leave it to cook for another 15 minutes uncovered this time. Add more salt to your taste. Don't forget to taste it. Stir it and leave it to cook on the lowest heat possible, again uncovered, for another 10 minutes. And this is it. Your smoked turkey peanut butter soup is ready. It is time to serve it. You can enjoy it with fufu, of course, with rice balls, with plain rice, with anything you like, even with eba. You can even add in okro to eat it with banku. This is a must try smoked turkey soup, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this very easy step-by-step recipe. You can't fail it. If you do, please leave me thumbs up, comments, and I'll see you in another Mrs. Jury recipe. Until then, stay blessed. Bye bye.